In this lab we're going to be boiling water, which means time to put on our safety glasses. Okay, here's the setup for today. We've got a hot plate down here, which we'll turn on in a moment. We've got our ring stand holding our thermometer, which I have the Celsius facing towards us. It's probably going to not be, you're probably not going to be able to read that in the video, so I'm also going to post the number. I'll magically make them appear over here. We've got our beaker with 150 milliliters of water, and we're going to be recording the temperature every 1 minute for 20 minutes in that beaker of water as we heat it to boiling. In order to keep track of the time, I've got a timer right here, which we'll hit start, record our first temperature, and then record every 1 minute until we get to 20 minutes. And we are ready to begin. Well, I guess I should plug it in first. Alright, take two. We are now ready to begin. Hot plate on, timer is started, and we can record our initial temperature, which is 21 degrees Celsius. Remember to wear those safety glasses. That's it for boiling water. Make sure to watch part 2 of this video where we freeze stearic acid. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, go to Google and type in science videos or subscribe.